It's really painful to manage Docker container via terminal. Is there any better way to manage it? Let's find out. Portainer is the thing which will help us. We will configure Portainer with OpenMediaVault. If you don't have one, you can easily set up by following my previous video. Link is here. Enough of talking, let's jump over to browser. Navigate to OpenMediaVault in your favorite browser. Log in to the portal. Default username is admin and password is OpenMediaVault. Let's quickly configure the dashboard for the first time use. Navigate to OMV-Extras from system menu and check the Docker repo. Open plugins section and search for Compose. Install this OpenMediaVault Compose. It will take some time to install. If you face any error, just reload this page. Hopefully Compose will be installed. You can verify it from the service section also. Here this whole new Compose section will come up. To configure Compose, we need two shared folders. Let's create them first. Navigate to disk section from storage. Here all the physical storage devices are connected to this pi will come up. Quickly wipe out the device first. We need to create a file system. I am choosing ext4. You can choose other. This process will take quite a lot of time. Now we can mount the file system. First share will be for Compose files. Choose the mounted file system and for permission keep default. Repeat this for app data share. This will be used for actual container storage. Now in Compose settings, choose the Compose share and keep everything as it is. Choose the app data share here. Hit save and apply. If everything okay, then hit restart Docker. Docker is installed and running successfully. Let's jump over to Portainer configuration. Copy the absolute path of app data share. In Compose file, create one. Put name as Portainer. And paste the YML code provided on my GitHub profile, link in description. Replace this with the path earlier copied. Save this. Validate the file by hitting this button. Everything looks fine. Now up this Compose file. It will take some time to pull the image and configure for you. Once it up, navigate to Portainer. IP of the pi followed by port 9443. Make sure to open with HTTPS. Accept the SSL warning as it's a self-signed certificate. Set a strong password. Click on Get Started. Here our local Docker environment is showing up. You can access all the containers here. These are the Portainer configurations we provided on the YML file. Here is the log of the Portainer. From Compose file section, we can stop any container anytime. Let's pull down this Portainer. Now Portainer is not live anymore. To make it live again, click the up button. Now Portainer is up again and we can log in. So Portainer is working as intended. Hope Portainer will help you to manage your containers and make your life easy. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon for future notification.